Calling me. Ito na.
You see what it's going to look like, but here it's like this. We're gonna set it up. We're gonna set it up like this.
Parang tangkad.
It's high. It's not for a low chair. And then you can put the mirror here. It doesn't have to be here.
Ay, kala ko dito yung mirror.
Oh, it's up to you. It's up to you.
Oh, of course, in here. Because, you know, I can put my leg inside.
Yeah, of course.
Diba?
So,
So this one is, I don't think so. This, so this one dito dapat. But it's okay, you can get me a chair that...
yes, of course. The chair is a detail, huh?
Wait muna mo, drawer na lang.
Yes,
drawer.
Still
Cannot
have the
wait. What's look like? So where's the mirror na on the way na rin?
November 20.
Okay, cannot
I'm
wait.
overseas.
Mercy.
Ah,